Hello, my name is Grace. Come on in, you're more than welcome. My very first products, I suppose, that I started trying to sell were little Christmas decorations. To this day, they're probably my best-selling product. They actually sell throughout the year, so I'm constantly making them. Even I feel like an elf sometimes that, I'm in Santa's workshop, because regardless of what time of the year, I'm always thinking Christmas. The name Kingsforge Glass really was given to me rather than me choosing it, because from the moment I came here, everybody told me about Kingsforge, and it's on a corner, and the corner is known as Kingsforge. If I had called it anything else, everybody would have said, no, but sure, that's Kingsforge. So it had to be Kingsforge Glass. And right up to this day, the best part of 20 years later, lots of people would say to me, oh, you're the King woman. And I have to say, yeah. I was really struck with when I was at the Patrick Kavanagh Centre. It gets into your bones by the end of the experience. The man who wanted to leave Monaghan behind would find it very difficult to do so. No matter where he went, he still was the Monaghan man. After quite a bit of experimentation, I actually came up with a range that includes the soil of County Monaghan fused into the glass itself, coupled with the colour that I always use. So it's just a little cube of glass in a variety of colours depending on your preference, but inside it, shining like little gold, is soil that has been fused inside the glass. And so regardless of where you are, you can have a little piece of Monaghan in your pocket and take it with you, and you'll always have home with you no matter where you go. 1 or 2 people at a time can come and get a very personal experience of making their own piece of glass. By the end of it, they really love what they've done, and when they're really happy with it, I put it in the kiln. It takes a day for the kiln process, and I can post the finished piece to them. I have an Airbnb room where people have their own access in and out, and it's just a twin bedroom and a bathroom. So they can work with me here, finish the piece goes into the kiln, they go off and enjoy some of the other things that Monaghan has to offer, and then the following morning see the kiln being opened. By staying over, they get the excitement, which is what I live with all the time. When I wake up in the morning, I'm thinking, ooh, what's coming out of the kiln today? So thanks very much for visiting, and maybe while you're up here, you need to make the most of the area. You could take a walk up to the cairn and straight down into Castleblaney, a nice walk around Lochmuckno, go down to the Adventure Centre, and there's just so much to do down there. It's just fantastic.